Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable layered Easter hair bow. What you will need, I have the mini Bodabra bow maker, adorable printed ribbon, and the Easter bunny ribbon is 7/8 inches in width. I have 3 pieces, 12 inches long, and then I have a piece of white ribbon and a piece of lace purple ribbon. They are both 22 inches in length. I have bow wire, a hair clip, a 4-inch long piece of my 3/8 inch width ribbon, scissors, and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my bow wire, fold it in half, and place it down in the center of my Bodabra. And then I'm going to start with my 7/8 inch width ribbon. I'm going to start with the wrong side facing up, scrunch the end, fold in half, bring the front and the back up, and place it down. Then I'm going to make a loop and scrunch the other side. And then I'm going to estimate the center and scrunch once more. Just like that. And then I'm going to repeat this step with my other 2 pieces. So I'm using my wand to scrunch everything together. I'm also adjusting the loops if I need to, and this is what it's looking like. So cute and precious. You could definitely finish the bow off here, but I'm going to continue on. Next, I'm going to take the white ribbon and the lace purple ribbon, layer them one on top of the other with the white ribbon on top, scrunch it in the center, and then I'm going to make a loop smaller than my first loops and scrunch it down. And I'm going to repeat this step a couple of times. The 22-inch long ribbon will make 4 tails and 2 loops. If you want more than that, then use more ribbon. If you want less, then use less ribbon. So when I was making the loops, I had to scrunch and twist, but when I come to the end and I just have my tail left, I do not have to twist. So scrunch and twist for the loops, but when it's time to make the tail, you do not have to twist. Just scrunch and place it down. Alright, give it one final scrunch. It looks so cute. Now I'm going to take my bow wire, the 2 openings inside of the loop, hold my bow in place, and give it a nice tug. And then remove it from the Bodabra. Then I'm going to tie it in a knot a couple of times just to make sure it's nice and secure. And when you're done, just cut away the excess bow wire. Okay, you can adjust it one more time. It looks so precious. Now we are going to add our center. And you can use any of the patterns you'd like for your center. I decided to go with the purple lace ribbon, and I'm going to cut about a 4 or 5 inch long piece, tie it in a simple knot, then place it down in the center of my bow. Now you can either hot glue the center in place or you can tie it at the back. For the lace ribbon, I'm just going to tie it at the back of my bow. Alright, so cute and precious. Now it's time to add our hair clip. I'm just going to take my 4-inch long piece and hot glue it all the way around my hair clip. Then I'm going to take hot glue to the back of the clip and press it down to the back of my bow. And you are all done. So cute, precious, simple, and easy to do.